Alright, so now we're going to talk about the upgrades for FB Traffic Sniper. In this particular video, we're going to talk about the email extractor upgrade. And that is this identity add-on column here. And if you have it enabled, it will allow you to create a task. We may rename this later to email extractor just to be less confusing. But anyway, if you don't already have that upgrade, you can click on the upgrades tab, go over here to FB email extractor. Mine, you can see, is already enabled, and if you don't have it enabled, you can click this button and you can purchase it and upgrade to it. We also have Magic Ads Image Editor, which is really cool. I don't have that up just yet, and I will show you that here in the next video. But the FB email extractor, this upgrade allows you to also extract the Facebook email addresses of your targeted users. So let me go over here and show you exactly what we're talking about here. After you finish processing and downloading a regular set of IDs, like you went to the groups or the pages and you went through the whole process, and now you have your task here complete and everything, you can use this identity add-on, whether you download it or not, the IDs. You can go ahead and create a task here, and it's going to create this task and start extracting the Facebook user email addresses for that. And if I click refresh, that should be available to me here in just a moment. There it is, and I can click download. Now, I already downloaded this a moment ago, but I'm just going to overwrite that file, and let me go ahead and show you what we get here. And yes, and here's the file open, and it is just email addresses. All those users, it's their Facebook email addresses. Note, Facebook email addresses. Now, these are regular email addresses. Every Facebook user is assigned a Facebook email address by Facebook. Now, what can you do with this? You can do several different things with these, okay? It's a regular email address, so you can send an email to this. And what happens is it sends them a message. You know, when you get a message right here, okay, it sends them a message, okay? That's where that email goes to. That's their inbox on Facebook. Now, also, you can go in here, let me go back here, and if you have a Facebook page, like I have this phishing Facebook page, you can go up here and click on build audience and invite email contacts and use other tools, and you can choose that file and upload those email addresses, and it will send those people, those users on Facebook, an invite to come to your page. Okay, really freaking cool, and it's free. Okay, they'll just invite them to come to your page. Now, please take note, maximum of 5,000 contacts supported at a time. So do not upload more than 5,000 at a single time for this particular feature. Okay, they will ban your account for a short period of time if you exceed that limit. Okay, be very careful using this tool. Again, it's just a list of email addresses. They're real email addresses. So anything that you can do with a normal email address, you can do with these email addresses, guys. So it's really cool stuff, a lot of powerful stuff you can do. Now, that being said, let me go ahead and have a little disclaimer here. Okay, we're going to have to say this. Okay, the ability to get these email addresses and provide them to you and for you to have them is perfectly okay. It's within the Facebook rules. You're not breaking any rules. You're not doing anything wrong. It's okay for you to get these email addresses. What you do with those email addresses or the user IDs that you get from our system after that point is completely on you. We are not responsible for what you do with them. So be cautious, be responsible, be smart about whatever you do with this stuff, guys. Okay, because if you decide that you want to go download, 5 million email addresses and spam the crap out of them with bulk mail, okay, and get yourself in trouble and get your account shut down and all this other stuff, we're not responsible for that. Okay, that's on you, guys. So be smart about this stuff. Don't abuse the system. Okay, just get your stuff and use it wisely and use it honorably, okay? But again, we're not responsible for what you do. Just had to put that out there because some people are just stupid and they're going to try to really abuse this stuff. So be smart about it. Next, we're going to talk about the Magic Ads image editor, which is really cool, guys. I'm excited to show you this, and I'll show you that in the next video. Thanks for watching.